Hi everyone. In this video, we will discuss stem cell. As you can see on your computer screen, I have made this slide where I have different points. For example, I'm trying to explain what is stem cell, what is asymmetrical cell division, how the blood cells, they are emerged from the stem cells, and then some of the discussion regarding the early embryos, right? So this video is going to include some of the introductory points regarding this stem cell research, and I hope that I'm going to cover more videos in future on the stem cell research or stem cell related topics. So if you are new to the channel, then please do subscribe to the channel and support. All right, let's start today's topic, which is stem cell introduction. Let me write it down. Stem cell. And we will discuss the introduction, in which we will discuss what is the stem cell, how stem cells they divide, and what is the function of the stem cell. So stem cell is important because stem cell can give rise to specific cell types. It can give rise to specific tissues. So if I write what is a stem cell, I can write a typical stem cell can give rise to specific cell types and tissues. Stem cell has the specific power to convert itself into a different cell type. And before we understand the function, we need to understand what is asymmetrical cell division. Because asymmetrical cell division is important for the stem cells. Just imagine this is the parent cell, this is the parent stem cell. What will happen during the asymmetrical cell division? You will get one cell which is identical to the parent cell, and you'll get another cell which is not identical to the parent cell. And that cell is going to follow the path of differentiation. That means it will become a specific cell type or a specific tissue. So that's why I'm writing here the path of differentiation. And because of that, it is important to understand that most of the tissues in our body, they are constructed via the stem cells. So you can understand the importance of stem cell research in human health, in medicine. Now, let's take the example of blood cells, right? We have a lot of different types of blood cells. They are constantly being produced by the blood stem cells. So there are specific stem cells for the construction of blood cells. Therefore, I can say that every tissue has a specific stem cell, at least during the developmental stages, right? Because of that, those cells can give rise to all different kinds of tissues in our body. So in the early embryos, they will have specific stem cells, and those cells have the capability to produce all cell types. So if I try to show you diagrammatically, so I'm trying to make embryo. So bear with me, it's not very typical embryo, but this is the embryo, and embryo will have stem cells, and these specific stem cells will have the power to produce blood cells, liver cells, brain cells, heart cells, and so on. These specific cells has a capability. These specific cells can be converted into different cell types. So you can understand the possibility of the stem cells in health. If you have a specific organ that is getting damaged, or that is infected, or there is cancer, you need to replace that. If you have these specific stem cells that are able to produce that particular cell type, you can imagine the therapeutic possibility of the stem cells. That's why the stem cell research is really important, and lots of effort is being constantly done in the field of stem cells. So I hope in this video I've tried to explain you what is stem cells, how asymmetrical division is important in case of stem cells, what is the basic function of the stem cell, and why this stem cell research is important. I hope the video was helpful for you to understand the stem cell In this video, we have discussed stem cell, asymmetric cell division, blood cells, and what is the role of stem cells in our blood. And we have also discussed the early embryonic stem cells. I'll bring more topics, similar topics in my future video lectures. If you like the content of this channel, then please do subscribe to the channel. And if you like the video, please hit the like button.